Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to AlgoChat. Okay, so today we will solve our next problem or second problem of our study plan, which is find customer referee. Okay, so what the question is saying is we have one table. The table name is customer. Okay, so we have one table. The table name is customer, and what is the schema? In the schema, we have three columns. So first column is ID, second column is name, third column is referee ID. And what are the data type? So for ID, we have integer. So integer data type is nothing but where we can store the whole number. Okay, so it mostly of 4 bytes. So we can store the integer in the ID column. Okay, and there is one more column name, which is of type varchar. So what is varchar? So varchar data type is nothing but the data type where we can store our strings of variable length. Okay, so we can provide the length of the string in varchar in parenthesis the length of the string which we want if we want to restrict. Okay, so let's say so I'm trying to build some conceptual knowledge also. Okay, so let's say in varchar, and if I write it 10, so the limit will be of 10, so we can store the string of length 10. So let's say again, let's say I write varchar 50, so it's 50. Okay, uh, we can store the string of length 50. Clear? Now back to problem. So this is the given schema where we have three columns of type integer, varchar, and integer. Okay, so we have column of referee ID. Okay, so now we will try to understand that why these columns are given. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID2. So okay, so there is, let's say, one mall, or let's say one shop. If the customer of ID2 will refer someone, so we have to exclude that customer. Okay, so ultimately we have to provide the name of the customers which are not referred by ID2. So this referred by ID2 we will get from this refer ID column. Okay, and the result can be in any order. So let's consider one example. Here you can see we have IDs, we have names, and we have referee ID. So we have Will not referred by anyone, Jane not referred by anyone. So there is one trick when we will write the code and when we will submit, I will tell you. Okay, so we have Alex, we have Bill, Jack, and Mark. So according to our definitions or the schema which we understand, the problem which is given to us is saying that we have to exclude the person which is referred by ID2. You can see here two person Alex and Mark are referred by ID2. Okay, so referee ID is 2. We have to exclude Alex and Mark. So our output will not have Alex and Mark, and we only have to return one column which is name. Okay, so we have to just write the English sentence. Okay, SQL is nothing but like just writing the English sentences. So let's write the code. Then there is one trick I will tell you. Select what we have to select, name from, select name from, table is what is the name of the table? Customer, select name from customer, where what is referee ID? Referee ID should not be equal to 2. That's it. So according to question, we have written our code. But let's say when I will run this code, what you will see, wrong answer, because our output is only Jack. So you can see Jack is referred by 1. So it is true, but we also have to include the names which is not referred by anyone, which are joined without any referral. Okay, so one more condition we have to add here, and or let's say or, there will not be and, it will be or, because there might be two conditions. It's not both should be true, only one should be true. Either it will be null or either it will not true. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. I hope it will be clear. Okay, so let's say if I more summarize or simplify, will have null refer ID. That means it's not, he's not referred by anyone, but according to our expected output we have to consider it in our result. So what is the case or what are the conditions now? So any name which can have null or any name which have refer ID other than 2. So other than 2 we have considered, and then we have to write or referee ID is not equals to 2, or referee ID is null. So what we have to consider? We have to consider the referee ID which is null and the referee ID which is not equals to 2. Okay, so now this will be our final SQL query. So now if we will run this query, okay, yeah, accepted. So you can see that now our output is Will, Jane, Bill and Jack. So here we have the person with refer ID null or refer ID not equals to 2. Okay, so this was expected from us. Now we will submit. So yeah, this is our question number 2, problem number 2 of SQL 50. Clear? So if you have any doubt, just ask me in comment sections, or if you have any new way to do this problem, you can definitely comment it down. Okay. So yeah, this was our D2 or question number 2. Meet you in next video. So till then, bye bye. See you. Take care.